Hello. What's your name?
My name is Ben.
High five, Ben. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. Can you tell me a vehicle that hangs from and is moved by a cable and moves up or down a mountain? What's that?
It's cable car.
Car. Can you spell cable car?
C-A-B-L-C-A-R.
E-C-A-R. One more time.
C-A-B-L-C-A-R.
Very good. Did you go by a cable car before? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Where did you go? I went to mountain. Very good. High five. Okay, next. Physical activity that you do to make your body strong and healthy. Exercise. One more time. Exercise. Can you spell it? E-I-S-E. Fist bump. Wow. Do you like to exercise? No, I don't. Okay, that's okay. And an underground electric railroad in a city. What's that? Subway. Can you spell it? Right, very good. Did you go by subway before? Didn't. No, I didn't. Okay, and from one side to the other side of something, such as an area of land, a road, or a river. What's that? From one side to the other side. Across. Yeah. Can you spell it? O-S. Very good, Ben. High five. And say bye bye.